Hey there, welcome to the 26th episode of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to be talking about sliding around common chord forms. And the nice thing about this is that you can find some really cool new sounds and new chord ideas without having to relearn a new chord fingering. So, take for example the common C chord. Okay, first position C. If you start sliding that around, you're going to find some really cool other sounds you can get. Like this, for instance, is a D. And what you want to do when you're sliding around the chords is remember where your root is, so you know the name of the chord. So you know the root of your C chord is on this string. Hopefully you know that. Slide that up to the D, you get this D. It's actually a D. It's basically a D11. You don't need to worry about that too much. Just if you like the sound, it's a pretty cool thing. And again, you're just sliding that up. If you slide it up 3 more frets, to the 8th fret, it's now an F. It's a nice F major 7. So you might know F major 7 down here. This is a cool way to play it. A cool other way to play it. If you slide it up 2 more frets, you get a G. It's basically a G6. All from just that same fingering. Another nice one is the common D, first position D. Slide that up a couple frets, and now in this case, we're going to be leaving the root note in one spot, or the bass note in one spot, and sliding around the triad on top of that. Now, you may know that the other root in this position is here on the 2nd string. Slide that up a couple frets, you get a version of an E. It's an E over a D chord. All you need to worry about is that it sounds kind of cool. And you'll hear this very often in songwriting. You know, The Who, Led Zeppelin, all kinds of people use this sort of inversion. Rush uses it a lot. So you keep sliding around, and I find that, you know, there we're at, got my root on the 3rd fret, slide up to the 5th fret, slide up to the 8th fret, the 10th fret. You get these really cool other colors happening over that same root. If you want to know what the chord is, again, look at the root note. Although it's really about the sound and how it fits into a song that you may know. E major is another one. You can do over the root note. Slide this up a couple frets. Okay, it's actually an F sharp major over an E. Again, Rush fans will recognize this. Slide it up here, you'll get an A. Here again, you're looking at where the root is. In this case, it's on the D string. That's an E. It's F sharp. It's an A. It's a nice A. So instead of playing this first position A, you can play this A. It's got the E in the bass. That's fine. It's a cool alternate voicing. I often use this. I'm finishing a song that's an A. Say it's in D and then ending on an A. It's a really nice sound, a really big rich sound with that bass in the bottom. Slide up a couple more for a nice, you're saying suspended B. These are just some of the ideas you can find. I'll show you one more. The basic first position G chord. Slide that up a couple frets. That gives us a pretty complex chord. You wouldn't want to use that in all situations. It's an A. Slide that up to the 8th fret. You get a C. In this case, actually, there you're getting that really tense interval, so you might want to play this version of the G instead. Here you get a really nice C chord. Slide up a couple more. You get a nice D. By sliding around that same chord progression. So it's really useful when you're doing songwriting, or you're just trying to find kind of a different color to use in a song that you know. So just be conscious of where your root is, and know that the chord, the type of chord will change a little bit, but just use your ear, and hopefully this will unlock some things for you. So hope this is useful, and you can use it. As always, let me know any comments or questions you may have, and thanks as always for watching.